Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist with RJO Futures here in Chicago on December 4th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. Crude prices are a touch weaker this morning. Right now, the Jan contract's down at around $40.12 a barrel, off about 96 cents. It's down about 2.2%. So we're seeing a little bit of a pullback here. Dipped below $40 briefly and kind of came back up. The rest of the energy complex is weaker as well, except natural gas. That's the only energy market that's up slightly. We're up about 0.5%. And I tell you, you really got to take a look at natural gas down at these prices. I'm not suggesting to buy it. I'm just saying keep a real close eye on it. Natural gas is trading down at around 219. By historical standards, that is pretty low. It's not to say it can't go lower. Certainly, we've got a lot of supply-demand situation. We really haven't seen that really kick in too much stronger than where it's been at for the last couple of months. But nonetheless, I think there's some real value there. So you should keep an eye on that. In addition, taking a look at the fundamentals in the oil market itself, nothing's really changed there. We continue to see very large stockpiles. Demand remains somewhat questionable. We just had an OPEC meeting, and OPEC is basically saying that they're going to go ahead and stay the course. They're not looking at reducing output right now, and so that's certainly weighing on the market. Now, on a technical side, and I think that's kind of what you want to look at here right now, is the fundamentals. We really haven't seen much of a shift. On the technical side, we saw an inside day yesterday. That was followed today by an outside day. And, I think that crude prices are really consolidating a little bit in this area. They were kind of consolidating this lower $40 range. They kind of dipped down here, like I said, and right around that $40 a barrel mark right now. But I think as long as the market stays above $40 a barrel and starts to build a decent base, there could be some potential for some upside. We have seen some small spikes here and there, but nothing that has really reversed the trend where we've really seen a big upward shift. But nonetheless, I do think there is some value down here. I do think there are some plays. Most people are bearish and focusing on that short side of the market, and so I think that without a doubt the market has come down pretty low. But I think if you're looking for some opportunities here, this is a time to start looking possibly on the long side. But you got to use the right strategies. So I'd like to discuss things in a little bit more detail. Feel free to give me a call and we can talk about it a little bit more. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.